Hello, guys. I just got a call from my watchmaker, and he had just finished restoring a true classic. This is the Seiko 5 Railway Time, and today we are going to talk about this iconic classic watch. So, let's get to it. So, why railway time, right? What has railways got to do with watches? So, story goes like this. यूएस में एट द एंड ऑफ द 1800s एंड बिगिनिंग ऑफ द 1900s एक भयंकर रेलवे एक्सीडेंट हुआ था जिसमें मैनी लाइव्स वर लॉस्ट. यूएस कांग्रेस ने पूरा इन्वेस्टिगेशन किया था और उसमें पता चला था दैट द कॉज ऑफ द एक्सीडेंट वाज दैट द रेलवे के ड्राइवर की जो वॉच थी दैट वाज रनिंग 20 मिनट्स फास्ट और उसकी वजह से वो एक्सीडेंट हुआ था. US quickly passed a resolution, they quickly passed a legislation that mandated that all watches that were to be used in railway timekeeping were supposed to be super accurate. This brought a revolution in watchmaking because now watches that were to be railway certified had to be extremely accurate. So accuracy में एक revolution आ गया and new and better technologies were adopted and accuracy of the watches had to be drastically improved. So that's how railway started becoming associated with really good and accurate timekeeping. So coming back, this is the Seiko Railway Time. It features the pearl white dial. I had it dated. This watch was made in February of 1985, which makes this 39 years old. That's almost 4 decade old watch. You can see it on the dial also. There is H Kamar dial pe. You get nice applied indices and that goes really well with the cream white dial, pearl white dial of the watch. Now, how do you recognize a railway watch? How do you recognize a railway time watch? Right, and a lot of brands have railway time watches. Citizen has it, Seiko has it. So ये जो dial देख रहे हैं ना, this is a very unique dial. So आपको एक 24 hour dial मिल जाता है इस watch पे. That this is a railway time. ये जो dial होती है ना, this is a railway time watch. सो आपको ऐसे देखिए 24, 13, 14 ये जो आप देख रहे हैं इट्स अ 24 hour डायल जो आपको इसके साथ होता है. सो दैट इज़ अ रेलवे टाइम वॉच. यू गेट अ क्विक सेट डेट. ये देखिए यू गेट अ क्विक सेट डेट. The movement used in this watch is a Japan made watch. The movement used in this watch is the Seiko Caliber 6309 movement. It's a 21 jewels automatic movement. It's considered one of the workhorse movements because it's really durable and a long lasting, durable and reliable movement. And it was widely used in Seiko watches in the 1980s. सो आपको ये 1980s के Seiko watches में, Seiko 5 watches में बहुत दिखेगा. It has a 46 hours of power reserve and really good accuracy. It has really good accuracy. तो ये था इसका मूवमेंट. साइज पे आते हैं. साइज इज 36 millimeters, विच इज़ अ टैड स्मॉल बाय टुडे स्टैंडर्ड्स, बट तब के दिनों में इट वॉज अ गुड साइज. उस ज़माने में थोड़ी स्मॉल साइज़ की वॉचेस ज़्यादा पहनी जाती थी. सो 36 millimeters साइज़ जो है वो उस ज़माने में ठीक साइज़ था. आज ऑफ कोर्स द स्टैंडर्ड साइज इज़ लाइक 40 millimeters. तो आज के ज़माने में इट कुड बी अ टैड स्मॉल एंड बट इफ़ यू हैव स्मॉल wrist it is very it is a very nice and this watch, even if you have a large wrist, right? Small watches tend to look good on any wrist. I mean, the watch should not be too small, but 36 millimeters is a very nice versatile size, I feel. It's a full stainless steel construction with a super comfortable Seiko bracelet. Look at how flexible this is. I mean, फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी देखिए इसकी. You can imagine how flexible this bracelet is, how comfortable this bracelet is. Like all Seiko 5 bracelets, they were made for comfort. So you put this on, you won't even realize you are wearing it. It's such comfort. आपको केस बैक दिखाता हूँ. I hope you can see it. Focusing. देखिए, it's a Japan made. देखिए, आपको मिनरल क्रिस्टल मिल जाता है विच ऑफर्स अ लेवल ऑफ स्क्रैच रेजिस्टेंस टू द ग्लास ऑल्सो. फ्लैट क्रिस्टल है ये, इट्स नॉट अ डोम क्रिस्टल, इट्स अ फ्लैट क्रिस्टल. दिस really beautiful watch, and I really loved it how it is, and I had to get it, so I took it. आपको wrist shot दिखाता हूँ. Such a nice little vintage classic. ये देखिए, look at that. So I have slightly larger wrist, but you can see it's beautiful. Goes really well, very versatile, a really nice classic vintage look. ये देखिए. So this was the Seiko 5 railway time. I have some more railway time watches also. I have black dial in this. I have black dial and a yellow dial also, and I have other brands also, Citizen and all. आपको दिखाता हूँ मैं फुर्सत से. But this was my new Seiko 5 railway time that has just been restored by my watchmaker. I just got it today. हाँ, मैंने 3 links निकाले हैं इसके to fit my wrist. So I have big wrist. So क्या होता है कि आपको कंफर्टेबली ये साइज़ भी आपको फिट आ जाएगा. इफ़ यू गेट दिस वॉच समवेयर, आप आराम से इसके लिंक्स निकाल के अपने साइज़ के हिसाब से इसको रिसाइज़ कर सकते हैं. और ब्रेसलेट पे ये भी है, तो क्विक रिसाइज़ भी कर सकते हो आप. माइक्रो एडजस्टमेंट भी है इस ब्रेसलेट पे, सो दैट इज़ ऑल्सो एन ऑप्शन. सो रियली नाइस वॉच. आई एब्सोल्युटली लवली. I can't find even one fault with it. Just lovely little vintage piece that is built like an absolute tank, and these have a history of running forever and ever and ever. So this was my Seiko 5 railway time. If you have any questions whatsoever, please leave them in the comment section and I will answer them to the best of my knowledge. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you for swinging by my channel. Please like, share and subscribe. Do your thing. Thank you so much.